Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. In this episode, we delve into the fascinating realm of the uncertainty principle, a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics that defies classical intuition. Quantum physics brings us face to face with the uncertainty principle, a mind-boggling phenomenon that challenges our understanding of reality. Imagine trying to precisely measure both the position and momentum of a tiny particle. Here's where the mystery unfolds. The more accurately we measure one property, the less we can know about the other. It's like chasing a fleeting firefly in the dark, where the more light you shine, the harder it is to grasp its exact location. First introduced by physicist Werner Heisenberg, the uncertainty principle remains a cornerstone of quantum mechanics, revealing profound truths about the quantum realm. This enigmatic principle is not a hindrance, but rather an enabler of technologies like electron microscopes and quantum computing. Embrace the beauty of uncertainty as we venture into a world where measurement itself shapes the mysteries of existence. This uncertainty invites us to question the nature of reality and the limitations of human observation. It unveils a universe where uncertainty is not a flaw but an inherent part of the quantum fabric. Beyond the laboratory, the uncertainty principle ignites philosophical debates, inviting us to ponder the very essence of existence and the nature of our perceptions. As we conclude our one-minute journey through the uncertainty principle, let us embrace the elegance of uncertainty, challenging our beliefs, and inspiring us to explore the profound depths of science and philosophy.